trip planning for the conference when you're out and about. Okay, now this week I'm actually filming this video from the sunny Queensland, Australia. I'm on a conference. So before I took my trip, I actually baked my beautiful healthy oat slice that is full of nutrient and that will keep me sustained. It'll give me enough nutrient and energy. Now, before I took my trip, I actually did some preparation. I need to take something that I'm familiar with because the venue is somewhere that I don't come to quite often. So I don't know whether there's anything that I can find there. So one thing good, it is something that I have and I can rely on. Now the next thing I do is, before I took my trip, I call my friends so they can take me places. When I need to eat vegetarian food, they will know where to take me to. But if you don't have any friends locally that can help you, of course we'll go to our friend Google and have a look whether there's any vegetarian places around so you can explore. So, but keep that in mind that you are out there and it's a new area. Just have a look, and you never know whether they have some really nice places that can really surprise you. So what I did was, of course, at the conference, I will let them know about my dietary requirements if they are doing the catering, right? Then when you're out there, have an open mind, just look around. And in my case, when I went out for dinner, I found a franchise restaurant that has beautiful Italian dish that I can have. After that, I venture out, have a look, and guess what I found? A new Thai vegan place that has just opened 2 weeks ago and run by a team of father and son. And their food is yummy, so that I made it a point to visit the next day after my conference. So here you are. You have quite a few choices that you can do. The pre-planning, so you can have something with you that will sustain you. Get in touch with your friends, catch up with them after the conference. If you don't have any friends where you're going to go to, look for places that you can visit. And you never know, you might find something that's really going to surprise you. So I hope this will help you to get a bit of an idea how you can actually organize your travel and still enjoy the food that you love. Until next time, be well, be happy. This is Jessica.